Igbo ndị ọma na-ege ntị, ekele m unu. Asị nke onye chiri ya zere. Unu afụ this picture na anyị na-afụ na. This picture na-abụrụ a Photoshop picture. This picture is a real picture and is a reality. You know, we keep on deceiving ourselves, so you keep on deceiving ourselves, so that's the one thing about a black man deceiving his or herself. Ụka bịara abịa. Iwatago, this picture in our na this video now, go shiri that na deep things are happening in church, especially Catholic church. Especially Catholic church, they are hiding so many deep things. Actually, go show no. But this one now, publicly, go show me also yes. That show you that more people name me in. More people name this kind of thing name me in. Now pretend the qua. Or to give for an altar. Or to give for an altar kind of reading so. But they go back and do the worst. They go back and do the worst. After an altar, I claim more holiness in. Finally, we shall have a Catholic church. And how be on the Chinese. And then maybe share the video. Share the video. No carry go. Nka pata di for one example. Enwere more no inside name kumo. Enwere more no inside they destroy the good work of good Catholic people. But in think I know bad eggs among them. Share the video. Share the video.